in my castle. In Denmark.
Anything else? Theo.
And see old age will yearly on the vigil feast his neighbors and say, tomorrow is St. Crispin. This story shall the good man teach his son, and Crispin shall never by. This day shall enter into the world, that we in it shall be remembered. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers, for he today that sheds his blood with me shall be my brother, be he ne'er so vile. This day shall be his, now gentlemen.
What? Villainy, treachery? Let the door be locked! Seek it out!
Hamlet, thou art slain! Indeed, there is but half an hour's life! The king's to blame!
The point in venom's true? Then venom, do thy work! Ah!
Oh no!
Forgive me, Hamlet, I am slain!
I follow thee, Horatio. I am dead, Adieu, Adieu, Queen. Ah.